team is focused on preventing second ACL injuries and reducing the risk of knee arthritis later in life. By studying how people move after injury, we're identifying movement patterns that put the knee at risk. This helps us design better physical therapy treatments and strategies to support lifelong knee health and keep people active for the long term.
I love to share my enthusiasm for research with students. When I was a PT student, I had opportunities to assist faculty on their research studies, so I love paying it forward. One way we engage students is through our research elective course. Students with an interest in research are paired with a faculty member to assist on an existing project. The experience involves helping with various aspects of a study, depending on the stage the study is in.
What I enjoy most about doing research at UNMC is the opportunity to mentor students who are eager to learn and contribute.
I enjoy pursuing research questions that I'm passionate about and have the potential to positively impact multiple people.
We're addressing real challenges in Nebraska's communities through research that reaches beyond the lab.